Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with the client tutorial today. So let's get right into it. Right now I'm doing her eyebrows and I'm using a ColourPop pencil. And this is in the color black and brown, I think. Not sure, but everything will be listed in the description bar below. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Now I'm just going to clean up underneath her eyebrows and prime her eyelids for the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow palettes I'll be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I will also be using the, it's a Juvia's Place palette. I don't have the name on hand, but it will be in the description bar below. And I'll also be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. After I apply those transition color and then the crease color, I'm going to cut her crease with a P. base. And I believe this is in the shade 2 or 0.5, not sure. This was recorded a while ago. I'm just now getting around to editing it, so bear with me, guys. But yeah, I'm just going to cut her crease and add like a white cream shadow on top after that. Now I'm adding some black liquid liner. This is from NYX, and I'm just gonna line, do like a simple little wing liner on her. Now I'm going to add some gold liner in the crease, and then I'm gonna add it above that black liner. And I don't remember the brand of this, but I got it from Sally's, but it's just a gold eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna apply some eyelashes, and these eyelashes are from Ardell. I believe they're in the style 203 or 205. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I believe this is in the shade Coconut. Highlight, I'm adding some concealer from LA Girl Pro, and this is in the color Toffee, it looks like. Yeah, this is Toffee. I want to set her highlighted areas with some Huda Beauty powder, and I mixed it with a little bit of Sacha Buttercup powder. And after this, I lost the rest of the footage for some reason, but this is the final look. Hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.